How to change your profile picture on eBay mobile. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on eBay mobile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you open the eBay app on your phone and go to your profile, there is no way you can change your profile picture. So now what you can do to change the profile picture on your phone is that open any browser, search for eBay, open the website. Tap here on the menu, then tap on sign in. Once you have signed in, tap on your profile. If it takes you to the eBay app, uninstall the app and you can reinstall it later. After uninstalling the app, go back to the eBay website and tap on your profile. It might ask you for your country, address and phone number. Fill in the details and tap on continue. Tap on account. Then tap on personal information. It may ask you to sign in again to make changes to your account. So sign in. After signing in, you will see options to edit your personal info but not the option to change profile picture. So now change the browser to desktop mode. If you are on Chrome, tap on these three dots and check the desktop site option. Again you have to sign in. After signing in, it will take you to the eBay homepage. Zoom in and tap on your name and tap on your profile picture. Again, zoom in and tap on edit. A pencil option will show up in your profile picture. Tap on it. Choose the profile picture you want and tap on done. So this is how you can change your profile picture on eBay mobile.